Rhinoceroses are large, powerful mammals that are native to Africa and parts of Asia. There are 5 species of rhinoceroses alive today, and all of them are considered to be endangered. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, and they typically feed on grasses, leaves, and fruits. They are also known for their thick, tough skin, which can be up to 3 inches thick in some places. One of the challenges of living in a hot climate is staying cool, but rhinos have a few tricks up their sleeves to help them beat the heat. Now that you know how rhinos cope with the heat, let's take a look at what a typical day in the life of a rhino is like. Rhinoceroses are mostly active during the cooler parts of the day, such as dawn and dusk. They spend the hottest part of the day resting in the shade, and they often wallow in mud or water to stay cool. Rhinoceroses are herbivores, and they typically feed on grasses, leaves, and fruits. They use their strong, prehensile lips to grasp vegetation, and their sharp incisors and canines to strip away any excess foliage. Rhinoceroses are social animals, and they often spend time with other rhinos. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including snorts, grunts, and screams. Rhinoceroses are also capable of running up to 30 miles per hour, and they can run for long periods of time without tiring. This is important for escaping predators such as lions and hyenas. First, they like to hang out in areas with lots of trees and vegetation. This provides them with shade and helps them stay cool during the hottest parts of the day. Second, they often wallow in mud or water. This helps to cool them down and also acts as a sunscreen, protecting them from the sun's rays. Finally, they are most active during the cooler parts of the day. This means that they spend the hottest time of the day resting in the shade, which helps them stay cool. But have you ever wondered if rhinoceroses can swim? If you're thinking they can't, then you're right. So why do they have such thick skin if they never get wet? We hope you enjoyed learning about this amazing animal and its adaptations. Do you know any other facts about rhinoceroses? Share them with us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more animal videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, it turns out that rhinoceroses actually do swim, and their thick skin is actually an adaptation that helps them to survive in water. Let's take a deeper look at this fascinating animal and explore why rhinoceroses have such thick skin. Number 4. All about that thick skin. Rhinoceroses have thick skin that can be anywhere from ½ inch to 3 inches thick. This is much thicker than the skin of most other mammals, and it's especially thick around their heads and necks, where it can be up to 4 inches thick. This thick skin provides a number of benefits for rhinoceroses. First, it protects them from injury. When they're moving through tall grasses or thick bushes, their thick skin prevents them from being cut or torn by the plants. It also protects them from the bites and scratches of other animals. Second, their thick skin helps them to regulate their body temperature. Rhinoceroses are large animals, and they can overheat easily. Their thick skin acts as an insulator, helping to keep them cool in hot weather. Third, their thick skin provides some protection from the sun. Rhinoceroses don't have fur or hair to protect them from the sun, so their thick skin helps to shield them from its rays. 3. Why do rhinos need such thick skin? You may be wondering why rhinos need such thick skin. After all, they do, and live in environments where they would be exposed to a lot of potential injuries or predators. Well, it turns out that rhino skin has several functions. First, rhino skin is very tough and durable. This allows them to move through dense vegetation without getting hurt. It also makes it difficult for predators to bite or scratch them. Second, rhino skin helps them regulate their body temperature. Rhinoceroses are large animals and they can easily overheat. Their thick, tough skin acts as an insulator, helping to keep them cool in hot climates. Finally, rhino skin provides some protection from the sun. Rhinoceroses don't have fur or hair to protect them from the sun, so their thick skin helps to shield them from its rays. Number 2. How do rhinos stay cool? Number 1. A day in the life of a rhino. So there you have it, a look at the incredible rhinoceros and its thick skin.